Kirchhoff's second law. It is called Loop's law. Now we have a circuit. It is point A, B, C, D, and E. We have five resistance over here. First R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. We have a direction with electric current. It is I1, this direction. It is I2 in this direction, I3 in this direction, it is I4, and in this direction it is I5. First, I give you information about the direction of electric current. This is resistance. This is point A to B. It is also point A to B. In electric current, the direction from A to B and resistance like this. We want to go from A to B, or else we want to go B to A, from B to A. If we have a direction from A to B, so this is this is electric current I, and this is resistance. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So symbolic of V is equal to IR. So symbolic of IR, we want to go from A to B direction, the same direction. If we want to go in the same direction of electric current, so IR becomes negative. In the same direction, IR becomes negative. If we go to A to B, but electric current is moving from B to A, it means opposite direction. The electric current I is in same direction, so IR is negative, but I is in opposite direction, so IR becomes positive. Again, ફરીથી એક વખત, જો સેમ ડાયરેક્શનમાં જવું હોય, આપણે ક્યાંથી ક્યાં જવું છે? A થી B, અને કરંટ પણ એ જ ડાયરેક્શનમાં આગળ મૂવ કરતું હોય, તો IR કેવો લેવાનો? નેગેટિવ. આપણે જવું છે A થી B જ, બટ ઇલેક્ટ્રિક કરંટ ક્યાંથી ક્યાં જાય છે? B થી A, ફ્રોમ B to A. સો IR આપણે કેવો લઈશું? પોઝિટિવ લઈશું. In the battery, in the EMF, in the case of EMF, we are going same direction, electric current going from A to B, and first positive and second negative, so EMF becomes negative. The same from IR. If we are going from A to B, but first is negative and second is positive, so EMF becomes positive. So we have a four symbolic IR. In the same direction, IR becomes negative. In the opposite direction, IR becomes positive. If battery is positive first and negative is minus another second, so EMF becomes minus. If battery negative is first and positive is second, so EMF becomes positive. So let's try from the loop. We have a loop as shown in circuit, starting from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. The loop is A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. This is loop point. So first we have go from A to B. In this way, we have first I into R, I1 into R1. ક્યાંથી ક્યાં જઈશું દોસ્તો આપણે ફર્સ્ટ A to B. ઇન ધ સેમ ડાયરેક્શનમાં કરંટ જોવા મળે છે I1 અને R1 સેમ ડાયરેક્શનમાં આવશે તો સેમ ડાયરેક્શનમાં હોય તો IR કેવો લેવાનો નેગેટિવ. So therefore minus I1 R1 in the same direction. This is EMF E1 and this is EMF E2. સેમ ડાયરેક્શનમાં પહેલા જો બેટરીનો નેગેટિવ હોય અને પછી બેટરીનો પોઝિટિવ હોય તો EMF કેવો લેવાનો ધ પોઝિટિવ. So E1 becomes positive. Now we reach at point B. So now we want to go from B to C. ક્યાંથી ક્યાં જવું છે B થી C ડાયરેક્શનમાં. But electric current I2 moving from C to B in opposite direction. જો opposite direction માં હોય તો I2 R2 opposite direction માં હોય તો I2 R2 કેવું લેવાનું positive. So plus I2 R2. Now we reach C and we go to from C to D. So first battery is positive E2. The battery positive first આવતું હોય તો EMF કેવું લેવાનું minus. So E2 becomes minus. Then C થી D ડાયરેક્શનમાં જવું છે ને સેમ ડાયરેક્શનમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રિક કરંટ I3 છે. So same ડાયરેક્શનમાં હોય તો IR becomes minus. So I3 R3 at a D point and we go to from D to E. So એ જ ડાયરેક્શનમાં છે કે અપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શનમાં મારે જવું છે ડી થી ઈ પણ આવે છે ઇલેક્ટ્રિક કરંટ ક્યાંથી ક્યાં ઈ ટુ ડીમાં આવે છે તો અપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શન છે. દોસ્તો અપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શનમાં હોય તો આઈઆર કેવું થઈ જશે becomes positive. આપણે અહીંયા ચાલુ રાખીએ છીએ I4 R4. ચાલો now we are on E and we want to go from E to A. In the opposite direction electric current I5 moving from A to E. So now I5 and R5 opposite direction becomes positive. So I5 R5 is equal to 0. So now we have a one loop equation. I1 R1 becomes negative in same direction. First battery negative, so EMF is becomes positive in the opposite direction. So plus first battery positive E minus in the same direction, sorry, in the opposite direction I3 R3 it's negative same direction. In opposite direction I4 R5 and opposite direction I5 R5 it becomes positive. It is total becomes 0. So now minus I1 R1 plus I2 R2 plus minus I3 R3 plus I4 R4 plus I5 R5 is equal to now E1 and E2 go on this direction becomes E1 becomes minus plus E2 becomes plus. So a new equation for total sigma I into R. The total equation sigma I into R now sigma E. If we are getting the I, so I becomes 1 2 3 4 5 up to n. So what do you mean by this? This is the Kirchhoff second law. The algebraic sum of charges, the potential around the closed loop. The potential around the closed loop involving resistance cell in the 0 or else the for any closed loop algebraic sum product of resistance and respectively current following through them is equal to the algebraic sum of EMF along the loop. This is called Kirchhoff's second law, or else law of conservation law of energy. This is Kirchhoff's second law.